offer AV over IP video distribution solutions? If so, look at Luxul's line of managed PoE Plus switches purpose-built just for you. Luxul managed switches are designed for demanding commercial and residential applications such as houses of worship, classrooms, conference and training rooms, home theaters, and more. With a Luxul managed switch and appropriate audio or video hardware, installers can now build scalable video matrices supporting dozens or even hundreds of inputs and outputs. The Luxul AMS 1208P, AMS 1816P, AMS 2624P, and SW61024PR are all part of Luxul's switches and routers that feature rear panel ports and front-facing user-selectable blue or green LEDs for neat integration with AV rack systems. While the XMS 1208P, XMS 2624P, SW51048PF, and SW61048PF offer traditional front-facing ports. All 8 switches offer 802.1q VLANs, DSCP-based QoS support, Layer 2, Layer 3 static routing, IGMP multicasting, a simple plug-and-play installation, are ProWatch integrated, and much more, all in a compact rack mount enclosure. All feature PoE self-healing, which allows for automatic port reboot and turning ports on or off based on a schedule. The AMS 1208P offers 10 gigabit Ethernet ports, 8 of which are PoE+. It also has 2 non-shared SFP ports that support either fiber or copper, for a total of 12 gigabit ports. The switch offers a total power budget of 130 watts and features our popular fanless design for silent operation. The AMS 1816P offers 18 rear-facing gigabit Ethernet ports, 16 of which are PoE+ with a 185-watt power budget. It adds 2 gigabit Ethernet SFP combo ports along with a variable speed fan for quiet operation. The AMS 2624P features rear-facing ports and offers 24 gigabit Ethernet PoE ports along with 2 gigabit Ethernet uplink ports and 2 shared SFP combo ports. With a generous 250-watt power budget and 24 ports, it's one of our most popular managed switches in the Luxul lineup. The SW61024PR is designed for scalability and supporting large and complex projects. This switch has 4 10-gigabit SFP Plus ports that can be aggregated up to 40 gigabits and can be grouped for easy management view of up to 16 other SW510 or 610 series switches. The SW61024PR offers 24 PoE Plus ports with a 370-watt power budget, advanced Layer 2, Layer 3 functionality, and variable speed fans for quiet operation. The XMS 1208P comes in a half-rack width form factor and offers 10 gigabit Ethernet ports, 8 of which are PoE+. It also has 2 non-shared SFP ports that support either fiber or copper for a total of 12 gigabit ports. The switch offers a total power budget of 130 watts and provides our popular fanless design, perfect for conference, huddle, and theater rooms. The XMS 2624P comes in a standard rack mount form factor and offers 24 gigabit Ethernet PoE+ ports, along with 2 gigabit Ethernet uplink ports and 2 shared SFP combo ports. With a generous 370-watt power budget, it's a perfect fit for larger projects. The SW51048PF is designed to support larger, more complex projects and offers 48 PoE+ ports, advanced Layer 2, Layer 3 functionality, and a huge 740-watt PoE+ power budget. The SW51048PF also has 4 gigabit SFP uplink ports which can be aggregated up to 4 gigabits and be grouped for easy management view of up to 16 other SW510 or 610 series switches. Like the SW51048PF, the SW61048PF also offers 48 PoE+ ports, advanced Layer 2, Layer 3 functionality, and a huge 740-watt PoE+ power budget. Still, it adds 4 10-gigabit SFP Plus ports, which can be aggregated up to 40 gigabits and be grouped for easy management view of up to 16 other SW510 or 610 series switches to handle the most complex AV over IP projects. With Luxul managed switches, installers can deliver the ultimate network experience without all the complexity and costs of traditional high-end enterprise-class networking equipment, saving you time and money. As an integrator, you care about simple installation, high quality and cost-effective hardware, good support when you need it, and happy customers that won't need expensive follow-up service calls. With simple integration and cost-effective scalability, elegant design for AV racks, and ProWatch integrated for remote monitoring and management, Luxul managed switches are an ideal solution for demanding commercial or residential installations. To learn more, visit legrandav.com/Luxul or contact your local distributor.